So now when you've got all your panels completed, they are nicely blocked and each one has an edging around it, it's time to join all our panels to create our blanket. In your pattern, which you will find on West Yorkshire Spinners website, the link is in the description box below, you will find your making up diagram. So how to place each panel. Again, I usually join the panels first, either horizontally then vertically or the other way round. The joining I have used to join all the panels, it's a slip stitch through back loop, because that way it's quite invisible on the right side. You will only see it if you stretch your work. I used cream throughout. You can go with the same color as the edging, which is the red, or choose whichever color you like. Maybe choose one that doesn't stand out as much. However, I do quite like the cream. So let me show you how to join your squares. So to join our panels together, we're going to be working with a slip stitch into the back loops of our stitches. So when you look at your work from front, from the right side, it will be the back loops. But for ease of everything, we're going to join our two panels together with the right side facing each other and the wrong side facing out. And it's going to be, I mean, if you're looking from this side, it's going to be the front loop of the first panel and the back loop of the other panel. So that's our back loops from the front. But when we're looking at the back, it would be this loop here. So you see, a stitch has two legs. So we're going to be working on the first panel, the one closest to us, into the front loop, and on the back panel, we're going to be working into the back loop. So not the front, but the back. Okay? Because what we want, if I show you here, what we want is that beautiful edge. You see, you've got the front loops edge. So you've got the front loops like showing through, which look really nice and give you a beautiful edge. So I'm going to show you how to work this in mustard. You of course choose the color of your choice. So again, we're going to go into the very first stitch, so into the front loop of the panel facing us and into the back loop of the second panel. See? Place your yarn on your hook and pull it through both of those loops on your hook. And now again we're going to work into the loop facing us and on the back panel into the loop facing us. So these are basically the loop that are facing us. So front loop and back loop. I mean, again, they are back loops if you're looking from right side. From wrong side, when you have this face in this way, is the front loop on the panel facing you and the back loop on the panel on the other panel. So yarn around, pull it through those two loops and the loop on your hook. See? And one more. Only make sure you grab the one loops of your stitch. And you will do this on the side, you will do this on the side panels and exactly the same way on the top as well. And exactly the same way on the top as well. So let's see what this looks like from. So at the back it looks like this, which is a very nice and neat edge, and at the front it looks like this. You see, and you cannot see the yarn poking through even though I use the mustard. But again, I want you to have a nice closer look at the front loops here. They are forming a very nice effect. And that's it. Just carry on in this way until all your panels are joined. And now let me show you how to do the edging. The edging of our blanket is incredibly simple. So we are simply going to work double crochets into the back loop of every single stitch, starting with the starting double crochet into the back loop. Work a starting double crochet into the back loop here. Grab your yarn and pull it through and finish off the stitch as normal. And then again, work one double crochet into the back loop of every single stitch. Make sure you enclose this tail. I'm showing you with the mustard. The color for the edging is the cherry red. See, and just work into every single stitch, into the back loop of every single stitch. Just double crochet all the way around. So we're going to go to our first corner. When you are almost at the corner, work to the corner. So this is a corner stitch. So we're going to chain 2, work the corner stitch of course, and then work down the side of our panel. So again, in the same way, double crochet into the back loop, into every single stitch, and then when you reach the corner here, chain 2. Make sure you work every stitch so you don't omit any stitches here. You just chain 2 at the corner to make our edging flare out nicely. And again, into every single one. So on the corner, chain 2 and double crochet into every stitch. So do this all the way around. So you are going to basically work every single stitch of each panel. So that will be 41 per panel on the top, so 42 on the side, 41 on the bottom, and 42 on the side. So in the pattern you will find the correct numbers throughout the whole row. Okay, so just continue to do this until the whole edge is worked. So when you go all the way around, I've got one more stitch here. We're going to chain 2 and slip stitch to the very first stitch. The next 2 rounds are exactly the same. We are going to chain 1, work 1 double crochet into the back loop of every single stitch, but this time when we reach the corner, we're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the corner. So let me reach this corner and I will show you how to do this. You reach the corner here, you're simply going to work 1 double crochet into the corner space, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet into the corner space, and then 1 double crochet into the back loop of every single stitch until the next corner space. So again, when you reach the end, work your corner space as normal and slip stitch to your first stitch, and then repeat that round 1 more time. So your edging will look like this. It's a nice and simple edging that lies beautifully flat. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crochet along. It's been such a joy designing it. I mean, it's just such a wonderful crochet along. It's got so many things, so many wonderful techniques to practice. And again, the patterns you will find the patterns on West Yorkshire Spinners website. And if you like the videos, then please do like, share, and subscribe. And also, when you are making your blankets, please do share them with me and West Yorkshire Spinners. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting.